Democracy. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, of the people. Democracy is a government created by the people and it refers to the majority rules. The basic principles of democracy that political freedom, rule of law and equality. People elect political leaders who represents and makes political decisions at local, regional and national level. Political people represent the people and hence this system is called representative democracy. Democracy is the common form government worldwide. In this form of government, every person has equal right and freedom to express his view and opinion. Democracy leads to prosperity and development of society. It makes people entered in the country and its democratic people. It promises active participations in governance and participations of the ruled. The main principle of democracy is that power is applied in relation to human rights. Thank you.